Hi, my name's Sacha and I own PGP Creative, which is a social media management and digital marketing business. So I am a new business owner, and for me it's really important to come up with some strategies to help me be productive and proactive with my work. So I met Mandy Napier through the Clown Chamber of Commerce, and I was really excited with the opportunity to attend her Focus for Results workshop. And when I went to the workshop, I was really surprised with how the content really relates to your professional and your personal life. So one of the big things I took from the workshop was how important it is to develop some daily rituals to live by, because what you do in the morning determines the rest of your day. For me, I found that I need to have more structure with my mornings, so coming up with daily rituals that I live by was really exciting at the workshop, and I'm so excited to be actually implementing these strategies that I've taken to my day, and I feel so much better for it. Another thing that was great about the workshop was the formulas that Mandy has created. They're really easy to understand, and they're great step-by-step guides to achieving the best success that you can. Ongoing support from the workshop is also a massive bonus. Mandy checking in and seeing your progress is really motivating, and I'm really looking forward to success in my future with this professional development.